Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Minecraft. Make sure you are online. It's easy. If you want to fix this problem, all you have to do, click here and then just go to background apps, turn it off, close it, and then go to device manager, go to network adapters. Now go to the first one here, update driver, and search automatically for drivers. Now one by one do the same thing into the last one here, and then after that you have to type here cmd, right click, click run as administrator and click yes, and now type here ipconfig //dns, enter, niche winsock reset, enter, and now you need to restart your PC. Click restart, and if you find here update and restart, click on it, and you can just restart if you want. I hope that can help you. Don't forget to like, and see you in the next video.